Hi everyone and welcome! I'm really excited for you to discover this month's creative adventure. Let's explore together the thread art, also called pouring painting. Creating is fun, but sharing a moment with a loved one and crafting together, it's even better. So in your box this month, with your 4 ready-to-pour acrylic paints, you'll get 2 canvases, 10 cups, 2 straws, 2 disposable aprons, a disposable tablecloth, and 2 pairs of gloves. You also get the magnet kit that can make up to 4 magnets. And if you joined us during the first 2 days of the launch, you also get a special bonus that allows you to do your own bracelet. Thread art is an activity extremely easy and fun to do, but it gets messy pretty fast. So first, I would recommend you to start by protecting your table with the tablecloth included in your box, and also wear the glove and the disposable apron. Before every use, you should check the bottles to make sure the paint is homogeneously dispersed. Then, we want to elevate our canvas. To do so, turn 4 cups upside down and place your canvas on top. You want to make sure that under each corner you have a cup there. Then unscrew all the caps and remove the protective seals. Now, let's start the fun part. In your cup, slowly add your colors in order to create some layers. You don't want to mix or stir the paint together. Just have fun, don't worry about the order or how much of each paint you put. Everything is going to look beautiful at the end. And even if you have exactly the same colors, everyone is going to have a completely different result. Now that our cups are full, it's time for the pouring. I wanted to show you 2 different techniques, but there is much more possible and available online. On the left, we start to pour in the middle and then we do circle around. On the right, we flip over our canvas on the cup and then flip over again, then remove very gently and slowly the cup to let the paint flow. Then gently tilt your canvas in different directions and let the gravity do the work for you. Allow the paint to flow naturally toward the edges. Try to not shake your canvas. The slowest movements create the prettiest effects. In this part of the video, I'm making very fast movement only because I accelerated it. In real life, it's 8 times slower. With gravity, the paint will drop on your tablecloth, creating amazing patterns, and that's great for us because tomorrow, when it's dry, we're going to use them to make the magnets and the bracelet. If you want to create other effects, you can add some paint directly on your canvas and blow with the straw, then tilt it again to create other designs. I like to have all my side completely covered with paint, so I just covered the white spot with paint that were already on the side. If you are happy with the result, you can let dry your painting on the cups overnight. So this morning everything is dry, so I just remove all the cups and let my painting on the side. And now we're doing the second part of this activity, which is the creation of your magnets and the bracelet using the dry paint, also called skin. In your bracelet and magnet kits, take out the glass domes and now look for your favorite designs in your paint skin that you want to make the magnet with. Then peel the skin from the tablecloth. You will notice that the side that dry on the tablecloth is less shiny and has a texture, but also the design are completely different from the other side. And now we are ready for the last step. Once you're decided which part of the skins you're going to use, place the glass dome on it, then press. You don't need any glue, it's going to stick a little bit. Then cut the excess. Then peel the layer, add a dot of glue on the glass dome, then press it back on the paint. Let's finish by peeling back the red layer on the magnet and stick it to the paint. Repeat this process for the 3 other magnets. For the bracelet, add a dot of glue in the middle of the circle before applying your dome. And now you have all your creation for this month. I hope you loved this activity. Please let me know what you thought about it. I'm so excited to see your creations, so feel free to share them with me on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time and have a great day!